Jaguar. This is the rear brake pad replacement this time. Pretty much same concept as the front. I'm gonna remove that spring. Just use your pry bar. Get it in there. Pry back on it. Get these two ends to pop out. Alright, once your spring's removed, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side because you're gonna need to reuse it. Alright, now back here, same rubber covers. One here, and there's one on the bottom. Also the same number 7 Allen keys as the front. And go ahead and remove those. Alright, you just want to loosen out your Allen keys far enough. You can kind of see it and you get the space here. Now you want to take a pry bar. Pretty much place it inside the caliper. And just rock the top and the bottom until you get it free. Alright, once you get your caliper off, just want to use a C-clamp or the piston compress tool for the brake caliper. Get your piston back in. Alright, once your piston's compressed, remove your brake pad. As you can see, we definitely need brake pads on this. The new one, the inner one has a clip. The outer one doesn't. So we're going to install new pads now. Alright, so once you install your caliper, tighten down your number 7. Reinstall your clip. Make sure it's sitting behind here. Just tap it with a hammer to make sure those are in good. Put back on your wheel and tire. Pump your brakes. And that's a Jaguar rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.